Happy Saturday, guys. If you don't already know, I am headed to northern India on January 17th, so just in a few weeks. And I usually do a pre-pack, which I did 2 weeks ago. So I have backpack here, my big away suitcase here next to me. Actually, not that big, I guess. It's the carry-on size. I'm bringing hand sanitizer. I don't know, my voice is so raspy today. And they're constantly doing construction outside, so sorry if you can hear that. I'm also just trying to practice vlogging. I don't know if you saw my shitty video earlier from today. Or I guess I can't say shitty. But I'm just trying to get into the practice of vlogging or filming myself so that I can try and film clips when I'm there for you guys, and then also just for myself. Okay, so hand sanitizer. I have this little bag here, a few bandanas, hand wipes, and then some of these doTERRA oils. I'm bringing On Guard, Breathe, and Digestion because I have a sensitive stomach, so I don't know what I'm going to be eating over there, as well as Dramamine because I get motion sickness on airplanes and trains and boats and all kinds of things, so I don't want that to stop me from enjoying my trip. Also bringing a fan. It's supposed to be really cold when I go, but just in case it gets a little like stuffy in any of the rooms or on transportation. Bringing a wallet with a strap attached to it. And this just has passport, some cash, that sort of thing. Oh, and this is all going in my backpack that I'm gonna carry on and keep under my seat on the airplane. I have a, what is this? One of those neck pillows. And this is a really nice one. It's memory foam, so it doesn't get as smushed down as those ones with all the like beads in it. It's a little bit firmer, so it holds your head up better. And I usually like to sleep on long flights, but I like the aisle seat because I don't like getting all like claustrophobic next to the window, so this helps a lot. I have a bunch of paperwork. This is just like printouts of my tickets and extra visa information, copies of my passport, and my state ID just in case. Hopefully they don't get stolen or lost and that sort of thing, but I want copies of that. Noise canceling headphones, very important. Journal. I'm going to be starting a new one. I actually ended up ordering one on Amazon 2 days ago because I thought I didn't have one, but I guess I packed it already, so gotta do a lot of writing. Another small one. I always feel like I bring journals and then I don't use them, but better to have them than not. A bunch of chargers and converters because they use different outlets there. What else? Sunglasses, very important. Also regular glasses because I cannot see far away or at night, so I like to wear these when I'm especially going through like the airports to read like the departure and arrival screens, signs when they're far away, yeah, that sort of thing. Oh, and then my brother and his lovely girlfriend Suze, thanks guys, got me this Instax Mini. It's gonna be a little bit of a pain in the butt because I'm going to have to get them to like hand check the film and that sort of thing when I'm going through security at the airport. But I wanted another way to take photos, and I didn't want to buy a really fancy digital camera or a film camera, but I didn't want to just take photos on my iPhone, so I thought this would be a cool way to do that. Socks, underwear, that sort of thing. In a cube, I will bring probably a pair of slippers and then 2 pairs of like slip-on shoes. So I think I'm gonna bring my Toms and my Vans. The woman I'm traveling with, she's a tour guide with Kismet Journeys, and she said that slip-off shoes are the best, obviously, because we'll be going to a lot of temples or places that we have to move our shoes quickly. So things without laces are best. Should probably bring an umbrella too. It's gonna be rainy. Apparently it's the coldest it's been in a century. So I got some extra warm clothes, which is hard because I kind of left it all in San Francisco when I moved to Hawaii. And everything I have here are like shorts and t-shirts and bikinis and that sort of thing. So I actually got some sweaters. My best friend Mitsuru got me this, so that'll be nice and warm and fuzzy. I'm taking a bunch of like loose pants so that I can layer these and probably wear like warmer leggings underneath too. So those can be sort of mix and match. Some leggings. I'll probably wear these on the plane. And one nicer long dress, I think, just in case. I don't know, photos, Instagram, something like that. And I'll probably buy a bunch of scarves there, but just in case I have to cover my head, be ready to go. Probably nice on the plane too. I just like to have another like barrier between me and the seat at all times. So be carrying that. I'll probably bring like a packed down duffel too, for snacks and all the stuff that I know I'm probably gonna buy there, so I can bring that back. So I'll probably check my bag, my big suitcase on the way back, and then carry on the duffel with whatever I decide to fill it with. Toiletries wise, toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, shampoo, conditioner, facial cleanser, floss, that sort of thing. Not very exciting. My makeup bag is pretty minimal too. Let's see. Oh, I have some, I put all my medications and my makeup stuff all together in this one toiletry bag because it fits everything. Emergency antibiotics, some ibuprofen just in case, Claritin. Apparently the pollution's super bad there, and now my lungs are used to beautiful Hawaii trade winds, so I'm crossing my fingers I'll be okay with that. Gonna bring some Metamucil too, just to help quell any stomach issues. I guess they stuck another pair of sunglasses in here as well. You never know. Sunscreen, face wash. I get a lot of these like sample ones and then I just use them for travel, so it's really great. I'm bringing a bunch of tissues just in case. Sudafed, again, for allergies or just in case I eat anything weird and it messes with my sinuses. And then makeup wise, I'm traveling pretty light. I usually bring full out foundation and bronzer and eyeshadow palettes and all of that. But I'm trying to dress and look pretty low key for India, so I'm just gonna bring a few eyeliners, mascara, and some lipstick just in case. And a brush. One of these like little fold out ones. I've had this for ages and ages, but it's great. Nail file. Yeah, pretty easy. Easy peasy. And then to wear on the plane, I like to dress in layers. So I have this pair of like nicer, looser trousers, also from Uniqlo. I'm like, all of this stuff is from Uniqlo. It's great for travel. It doesn't get all wrinkly and easy to wash and affordable. So I'm either gonna wear leggings with these over it or just leggings, depending on how cold it's gonna be on the flight. Another second scarf. I like these infinity ones too when I travel, just because if it's windy or whatever, the ends aren't blowing away. And then I can also use this to cover my head, so you know, when we're going places, I can look appropriate. And a nice fuzzy hoodie, velour, so that it's really comforting on the plane. I get sort of like anxiety when I'm on airplanes, so anything that's sort of like cozy or makes me feel like I'm at home helps me sort of calm down a lot. So I'll wear that. I'm either gonna pack or wear this one too, but this is just a Everlane cashmere, super lightweight, but also very warm. Maybe also good for sleeping when I am over there if it does get cold. And then rain jacket is my final thing. So I'm hoping that I have a lot of space. I'm gonna wear most of my clothes on the airplane. Yeah, so I am super excited. If you watched my video earlier this morning, I had my hair all tied up, and I was like, I always say that I look like an egg when my hair is all the way back because I have like a really big forehead. But it's still bleeding, like if I get it wet. So if I take a shower and stuff, it's still like purple everywhere. And I was really concerned this morning while I was walking around in the rain that it was just gonna like be all over my face and I'd look like Violet Beauregard from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So I had it all tied up this morning. So I'm hoping that I will either get it sort of all rinsed out by the time I go to India, or get this purple conditioner that's supposed to like sort of seal it in so that it's not a mess if my hair does get wet accidentally. And yeah, so I'm just trying to film these things sort of in short clips and seeing what I prefer. I did like no talking on my video this morning, and filming in public was a little bit hard. This is much easier because I can just set it up and then sort of talk about stuff, but a little rambly. I don't know. Chris, my friend who does a lot of video and photography stuff, he's a magician with all of that, suggested that I vlog for like a weekend and then try and vlog for a week and just sort of see how I like it and put it up there. So thank you to all my friends and supporters who do this sort of stuff. This is way harder than it looks, actually. Major props to you guys. And yeah, I'll probably do maybe more India prep. Thanks for listening. I don't know if you guys care, but yeah, that's what I'll bring to India. And if you're a good friend of mine and you're here in Hawaii, I'll probably bring some stuff back for you guys. Let me know what you like in the comments below. Thanks, bye.